you feel better killing the maidens?
Do you think taking lives make you a free woman?
Crime and punishment are twin of the same destiny. You must come with us.
There is no escape, Ada. It is life for life.
The power of life and death is in our hands. It's a choice and decision given to human by the Supreme Spirit. And when such right is abused, the right will be taken away from the abuser. Ada, you have violated your right to live. Because of that, I'm sending you back to the Creator, the owner of life.
Ada! Ada! Hey, baby! Hey, baby!
Yes, Papa.
Where have you all been?
Papa, I was at the park.
Why is Ada?
I think she has gone out.
Oh, you think she has gone out? There is no firewood in this household. And you people are supposed to know that. Anyway, what it means is that you will go alone to go and fetch firewood, since she's not here.
I cannot go to that bush alone. I'll wait for her to come back.
If I bounce on you this afternoon, so you have to go alone. Because when she returns, she'll go and look for other things to make soup. Did you hear me?
Every time a baby will be walking in this house.
Wait, what did you say? What happened? I think it's a scorpion.
Scorpion! Sorry.
You have to hurry up and do something, or she will die, and you will be blamed for it.
Who are you?
Quiet! Before someone hears you and wonder who you're talking to. I am your guidance spirit. I am here to guide you on what to do. Now, pick that leaf. Take this one. Squeeze them and apply them on the wound.
Ugo, hurry!
Just told me it's not just a dream. This is a bad omen. You need to tell your father about it.
Why? No. Joma, you want me to tell my father that I killed my sister in a dream? That's why some strange spirits killed me. Oh, I cannot. Ha.
It could be danger lurking in shadow. Don't just brave it.
Don't worry, it's just a dream. It's just a dream. There's nothing to it. I don't like this. This is my own dream, not yours. Why are you insisting? Did you dream?
Ada.
Please, I think you have
Ada, you are too stubborn, Ada.
Go now!
I'll go.
Go!
Make sure you tell your father about it too.
Go!
What are you talking about? Ulisa. What are you talking about? See, Ulisa, that girl Ada, she's everything a man wants in a wife. But you know what? She's very hard to get. She's very hard to get.
What do you mean hard to get?
Look, Ulisa, I've approached her before, but she...
Look, I understand you. You don't have to worry, okay? That girl is the most beautiful girl in this clan. At the same time, she's the most arrogant girl. What she needs is somebody that will tell her the truth. Somebody that will bring her down and make her stoop.
Ulisa, that girl can never stoop for another man. She can never.
Don't worry. I know how to handle girls like that.
You do?
I'm talking about that. I'm telling you the truth. Eh? Don't worry.
Well, good luck. Good luck with that.
I will have to wait her. If she's coming back, you'll see I will try my luck. Okay.
Nai!
What is that? What is that?
Hey! Nai!
What happened to her?
Nai, she was stung by a scorpion.
Scorpion!
Yes, Nai. I had to use some medicinal leaves on the wound. I think she'll be fine when she regains her strength.
Yes, Nai, she'll be
Ebere.
fine.
Ebere!
Ebere, talk to us.
Ebere, answer me now. Hey! What have I done?
Nai, she'll be fine.
I shouldn't have sent her to go and fetch this firewood.
Ebere.
Ebere!
Nai, she'll be fine.
She'll be fine.
Yes.
Nai.
Eh?
Yes.
You see, Ada, you are the most beautiful maiden I have ever set my eyes on. You are so respectful. And that's why I want you to accept me. Believe me, together we will build a very strong family. And we will love each other.
May the gods punish you and this mouth you use in talking. So, you look at me, Ada, the most beautiful maiden in this clan, as you have mentioned. And this stupid Olisa, you desire me to be your wife. Ah! Ada. We forgive her.
But
You are mad. Did you hear me? I say you are mad. Your generation is mad. The fact that you see me as your wife instead of any of the maidens shows how foolish you are. Olise, don't dare me. Don't dare Ada. This will be the last time you will stop me on the road to vomit this gibberish. The next time you try it, let me leave it here.
and I love you.
Love, Uba. Waga you should.
Olisa, look at how that girl just insulted you. Look, if she tries that with me, I will so deal with her. That is mannerless. Let's go, my friend. I told you that. Try to help her. Who is she, sir? Who is she? Should we just? Calm down. I told you. Leave that girl alone.
It is our destiny.
But we can stop her before it becomes late.
Yes, we can. But remember, we will act based on instruction.
Her soul will be doomed if she continues this way.
She has been given a choice.
Baby. Father. What happened to Berry?
Father, where have you been? Eh? Where?
Father, that's not important. What happened to my sister?
See, they brought her back from the bush, where I sent her to go and fetch firewood. They said she was stung by a scorpion. Look at
Chimu, scorpion?
Yes.
Iberi, Father, she's not responding. Has she taken any medicine? Father, has any herb been applied to the injury?
Ugo, the son of Ago, the medicine man.
Hey.
He was the one that brought her back. He has put something on it.
Ugo?
Yes.
Does he know anything? Father, how sure are we he knows what he even applied?
Ada.
Father?
That boy's father was a very great medicine man in this community.
So? Why hasn't he been practicing like his father?
You should go and ask him, not me. Go and ask him. Please, get inside and get us something to eat. When she wakes up now, she will need to eat.
Okay, but there's no firewood. What am I going to prepare the food with? Baby. Ugo!
How are you?
I'm okay.
And how is the berry?
She's not getting better. My father said you should come with some medicine. Please. She's in pain. Please.
Ada, just go. I'll come and see what I can do.
You're coming?
Yes.
You're sure? Please don't stay long, oh?
Gods of our land. Everybody feels I know my father's medicine. What will I give to a berry to heal her?
It is so stupid to ask the gods that which is within your power.
Who are you?
Same question again. I am the guardian spirit.
Another one?
Same spirit. You will heal her. She is your test.
But I don't know what to do.
Search your heart. You will know what to do.
have the power to heal her. Why are you not giving the instruction?
Someone has been given the gift to heal her.
What if she dies before he comes?
Then he will be judged. None of you should interfere in the affair of the Supreme.
Father.
Hey.
What? I've called him.
Where is he now?
He's coming.
He's coming?
Yes, he's coming. How is she doing?
We are still here.
Oh, he's even here.
No, eh?
Hey, how is she? We are still here. Please, I don't know if there's something you can do for us.
Papa, I'm fine now. The medicine worked.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You mean you can't feel any pains?
No, I can't feel any pains. I'm okay.
Oh, thanks to the gods. Thanks to the gods. Come sit down.
Thank you, my son. Thank you very much. I can't thank you enough.
Thank you. Bye.
Now you're thanks to the gods.
Thank you.
Thank you, my son.
Very.
No, thank you.
So you go home with me.
Shiva, what have you done?
Even when I warned you shouldn't interfere in the affair of the Supreme, you went ahead to heal her?
I am sorry, Wada. I felt for her. We have the power to heal her, yet we watch her suffer.
That is the decision of the Supreme, not yours. We are just an ordinary tools. You don't know what you have done. What this singular act of disobedience will cause to that family will be unprecedented.
I'm sorry, Lord Wada.
You're sorry. You just tampered a destiny.
You are as foolish as your friend Olisa. You people don't know anything except to chase women around the clan. Look at you. Nonsense. If you dare stop me again, I will show you. Nonsense.
Look how he's talking. You are the fool here. You that I want to help. You that I want to do good. You don't even know that your time is passing. Look at you. Look at you. You and your friend are that with grow grey hairs in your father's house. Who wants to marry a mannerless girl like you? She goat.
Hey! Me! Me! Marry you! So when men are talking, you two you will talk. Are you a man? Look at you. Import. Can you impregnate a woman? Look at, do you call yourself a man? You think you're a man? You want to help me? Look at who is talking. You need help. You need help.
Don't worry. You will grow grey hair in your father's house.
Shut up, your man. Shut up, your man. You're a fool. You're a fool. You're a fool. You're mad. You're mad. Look at you. You call yourself a man. You call yourself a man. You call. Leave me. Hey! 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 Red! You want to rape me? Idiot! Idiot! Fool! You're lucky. Come, let me beat you. Come, I will be with you. Idiot! Ewa Usa! Nonsense! Try me next time.
What happened?
It's not Chike. That useless friend of Olisa. He asked me for friendship and I refused. He attacked me.
He what? He did what? Asked you for friendship. Then what happened?
He even said he wanted to marry me.
Marry you?
He said he wanted to marry me.
And then he attacked you?
Just look at my body.
It's okay. Let's go and see him. Show him. Let's go and see him.
Hey! Hey! He did what? He attacked me. Why? Why are you running? Come! Why are you running? Wait there! Wait there!
If I catch that girl, if I catch that girl.
Look at my Okoli. My Okoli. I'm going to kill your daughter when I see her. I am going to kill her. Look at what I'm going to do. Just look at my head.
Come, how did this thing happen?
She and her friend EJ fought us, and even EJ don't listen with a stone. Just take a look.
Take a look. Look, just give me permission to kill her. I am going to kill her. I am going to destroy her.
Will you shut your trap there? Don't dare touch my daughter. Are you not ashamed of yourselves? That a woman beat two of you up and you're here obtaining permission to kill her.
So, is that what you have to say?
Okay. Wait. You will bury your daughter.
If you touch her, if you touch her, idiot.
You have been sitting down here all day, thinking what I do not know. Now, what is going on with you? What is wrong?
Mama, nothing.
Nothing. Good. If it is not, then come and join me in the kitchen.
Mama.
I know something is wrong. What is going on?
Mama is like a baby. The daughter of Okoli is beginning to fall in love with my best friend Ugo.
Oh! They are falling in love with each other. That is good. Love is a beautiful thing. If they have found love with each other, then they should go ahead and get married.
But Mama, Ugo is my best friend.
Yes, my child, that I know. Both of you have been friends from childhood. Is that not? Good. Or is there something going on?
No, Mama,
Nothing. Then you should be happy for them. Allow them to get married. Just a friend. Come, let's go. Come.
I won.
You do, we do. Let's try it again. Mama, welcome.
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine, Ugo.
We are playing game. Come and join us.
I don't want to play. Ugo, can I see you?
Okay.
I'm waiting for you.
Ugo, what is it? What is going on? What do you have with that girl, baby?
I don't understand. Berry, we are just friends. I mean, she's happy I saved her from the scorpion poison.
Good. I am so happy for her. She is okay now. She should leave you alone now. Except she wants another scorpion sting. Yes.
What are you talking about? Oma, why are you behaving so rash? What is the problem? Why are you acting up?
How am I acting up, Ugo? How am I acting up? I mean, Ebere is okay now. Is she not? There is only for you people to be friends. I am your only friend, Ugo. You are only friend. You are best friend. Remember, Ugo, I don't want any other person close to you. What is so hard, Ugo?
Oh my, how is Ebere being my friend a problem to you?
It's a very big problem, Ugo. A very big problem, Ugo.
But we are friends.
You are my only best friend, Ugo. Go now. I don't want you. I don't want to see you with her again, Ugo. I don't want to see you with her again, no. I don't see that girl again, no.
Ugo, what is it? Why did your man live that way?
Nothing, it's just personal.
Okay. Ugo, there's something I want to tell you.
Okay. What is it?
Okay. I'm in love with you. And I want you to take me as your girl.
Hey. See, listen to me. Today, you will pay for the sins of your sister.
Come here. What happened to you? Why are you crying?
It's not Chike and Olise.
Chike and Olise did what? What did they do?
They beat me up.
They what?
They say I have to pay for your sins.
What?
Olise beat you up. Come. What really happened? And where is she running to?
But I still think we need to visit the old man.
No, Lisa. Well, Lisa, let us leave the old man out of this for now.
So, don't forget, he insulted us the other day. We complained to Ada. Don't forget.
Look at them.
Look at them again.
Wait!
Them?
Yes, I did. Ijoma joined me to beat them up. they will no longer cause trouble. And neither will they trouble any maiden in this clan again.
Ada, hope you didn't do anything stupid.
I did more than that. But not to worry. They will leave.
Ada, you like trouble.
Ugo, I love you. I love you so much, Ugo. See, I can't stand seeing you with a baby or any other woman, Ugo. Please. Ugo, please love me, please. See, I want to be the mother of your children. Ugo, I swear I will respect you. Anything you want, I will do.
Oma, stop. Please stop. I mean, why are you doing this?
Ugo, what am I doing? Can't you see I love you? What am I doing, Ugo? I want us to be more than ordinary friends. I don't want to be your best friend. I want to be the only girl in your life.
It's too late, Oma. I mean, we can be friends, but not go into a relationship. I'm sorry. I've given my heart to Ebere. I'm sorry.
If you've given your heart to a baby, what happens to me?
Ewo gini meri funaya Achogo mo charam ya fugimia Ifunaya mo Arapu mo Oyen furunaya Lohachi Ewo gini meri funaya
I am warning you, stay away from Ugo. Stay away from Ugo. This is my last warning. Is it so hard to understand? Ugo is my best friend, and now I am in love with Ugo. You were stung by a scorpion. You've showed your appreciation. Ugo has accepted it. I have even accepted it. Stay away!
Oma, what is your problem? You and Ugo are best friends, I know. But I know that you are not in love with him. I know what your problem is. You're simply jealous.
Excellent! Excellent! That is so good. You are not entirely stupid. Yes, you have small sense in this little head of yours. Since you know my problem, which is jealousy, help me now. Help me stay away from Ugo. I am warning you. Except you want another scorpion to sting your stupid leg. I am warning you. I am warning you. People should hear me. Hey!
Ewo gini meri funaya Achogo mo charam ya fugimia
So you're smiling like this. How are you?
I'm fine.
Have you eaten?
Yes, I've eaten.
I know. What is it?
Sister, there's something I want to tell you.
Okay.
It's about me and Ugo, the boy that saved me from the scorpion poison.
What happened? Talk to me, Ebere.
We are currently in a relationship.
Ebere, look at you. So after healing you, the two of you are now. Okay, I'm listening. Why are you shy now? Come forward, talk to me. I'm not to go.
But sister, there is a problem. I discovered that his childhood friend, Oma, is a distraction. She's always with him, and I don't know how to tell him to stop seeing her.
That's not a problem. Stop her from seeing him, since she's taking all his attention.
Sister, how will I do that?
How will you do that? Okay, I'll handle it.
Oh, thank you. I'm grateful.
You're welcome. What won't I do for my sister?
Thank you.
But go get some broom and sweep this floor.
I don't know what to do. Actually, because I asked for a favor.
What is it? Why are you shouting Oma, so you give me the name? What is this? I should stand here. You're not serious.
I said stand here!
Someone just imagine! You came to my house to shout on me to stand here. You're not serious.
Oma, I have come to warn you to stay away from my sister, Ebere.
And tell that a useless witch of a sister to stay away from my best friend, Ugo.
Oma, wait. Are you trying to challenge us?
What is talking? Who is this one? Ewu! A stray dog that does not know when to bark. Look, I am not afraid of both of you. Nonsense!
Are you talking to me? Ijoma.
Go get the house down! Get the house down!
Ijoma, calm. Calm, my friend. Let her be. We have given her the last one. If she's wise, she will take heed. But if she persists, then the gods bear us witness.
If you're not backing, carry this useless feet out of my compound. Leave! Straight dog. Leave! Leave! I'll finish you here. Idiots! You have the guts to even warn me. Come back! Idiots! Useless people. Who go my best friend? What is it now? What is it? If she will go for me now, what is it?
Of all this.
What's the meaning of all this? So you these rats, you want me to stay away from Ugo. You are very sick. You are very, very sick. You know what? I will not. As a matter of fact, I am in love with Ugo. So I should be the one telling you to stay away from my Ugo.
So I was right. My instincts never fails.
Ha! I was right. My instincts never fail. And what will you do? Tell me, what will you do? I don't understand you people. Right from childhood, Ugo has been my best friend and you all know it. I am warning you, and this will be my last warning. Stay away from Ugo. You will not like what I will do to you. You will not.
I will not leave him alone. And I promise you that. And there is nothing you will do about that. And you will not have him.
I will not have it.
Yes, you will not have it.
Okay, we shall see. We shall see. Nonsense.
What happened?
I met Oma on my way coming home. I think she's really in love with Ugo and she might take him away from me.
Oma, that maiden has beaten more than she can chew. Eh?
Don't worry. Go home. We will handle her. Go. Go.
Calm down. Little sis. Calm down. Oma. Oma.
Don't talk to her. Let's just go to her. Let's go.
Oma!
What a surprise.
Indeed, a surprise. Ugo, I I know you love my sister. But I will not take it lightly with you if you hurt her. So I have come to tell you to stay away from Oma. Leave Oma so you can have time for my sister.
Ada, are you listening to yourself? How dare you ask me to leave my best friend? Listen to me, Ada. You don't have any right to tell me what to do. I love your sister Ibere because she has a good heart. But you, Mba, you are a serpent. You can't tell me what to do. And I'm very sure Ibere didn't send you here. Now leave.
It's okay. I have said my piece. If you hurt her, you will have me to contend with. I am going! I just told you. You know you're my best friend. As a matter of fact, the only friend I have. And you know I do not hide anything from you. Okay, so what I'm about to tell you is straight from my heart. And I would want you to stand by me and support me.
Okay. Say it, I'm listening.
Despite what is happening among Ugo, my sister Ebere, and Oma, here it comes. I think I'm in love with him. And I want Ugo for myself.
Ada, I never knew you were this foolish. Your sister and Ugo are in a relationship. And they are having problem because of Oma. Now you want to include yourself in the problem.
Jema, why are you sounding like this?
I will not be a party to that.
Calm down. Listen to me. It's me or it's Adao. Eh? I know what I'm asking for is unheard of, but I am your friend. Don't forget the times I fought for you. I did so many things for you. It's my turn. Jay. Joma.
Okay, I will support you. I will support you just because it's you.
Yes? Who else will you do this for? Eh? It's me that only had that in your life. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm doing it because I love you.
I know.
I don't really like the idea.
I know.
So what do I do now?
Okay, don't worry. When the time is right, I'll tell you.
Ada.
Yes? Have you eaten?
You want to
Someone tried to kill me in the farm. Kill you? But the ghost of our land forbid. Who wants to kill you? Mama, someone attacked me in the farm. They tried to kill me. Who wants to kill you? Why? Eh? Who is chasing my daughter? What? Tell the nonsense. What nonsense is this? Mama. Who are the people? Mama, I couldn't recognize any of them. You could not recognize any one of them? No, Mama, but I know where this problem is coming from. The only people I have issues with in this village are the daughters of Okoli. And all because of Ugo. Wow, because of the said Ugo, the daughters of Okoli now wants to kill you. Yes. Agwam. Allah may the ghost of our line kill them back. Come, let's go inside. Give me the knife. Why would I allow my child to farm? Eh? Are you mad? You want to kill my daughter because of Ugo? Nonsense.
Ewo gini meri funaya. Choromia fugimia. Ifunaya mo.
Mama, what are you doing here?
Mama, good day.
Keep your greetings to yourself and answer my question. I ask you again, what are you doing here?
Mama, I came to plead with you. To beg your daughter to leave my man alone. Please beg her to leave Ugo alone.
So that was why you sent someone to kill my daughter at the farm today? Shameless girl.
What are you talking about?
How would you know?
You witch. How would you know? Witch! So you had the guts to send someone to kill me at the farm today. But guess what? Your plans failed woefully because I am still alive. I am alive! Mama, the most painful part of it is this witch, this little witch, had the guts to walk into this compound to check if I am still alive. Look at me! I am alive!
So, apart from trying to steal my man, you now fabricate stories. I did not send anyone to kill you. I came here to warn you to stay away from my Ugo.
Our young maidens have lost it. So you young maidens of our land has no shame anymore. No shame. Men were supposed to fight for you. But now, you're the one fighting over a man. If you did not send somebody to go and kill my daughter at the farm, who did? You little witch. Who did?
Ask this witch.
Will you leave my compound, you shameless little bride? That has no dignity.
You don't have a mother.
I don't even know what you guys are talking about. What
Leave!
will I get from you? I only came here to warn you.
Get the walking out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out of here! How much? She does not deserve your strength. Let her out. She does not deserve your strength.
Imagine, Mama. Imagine. Witches. It's a pregnant like witch.
Ada, are you mad? Have you lost respect?
Why are you screaming my name like you gave it to me?
Ada, I asked you to help me win my man's attention, not to plot to kill someone for my sake, Ada. Why are you taking this so personal? Why?
Is that why you're screaming? Calm down, little sister. I'm trying to do you a favor. I want to take all obstacles off the way by all means. The road.
All obstacles, including killing Ada. Ada, why? Why are you like this, Ada? Why?
So, you want to know the truth? Since you cannot fight for your love, I have decided to fight for it and claim it. Yes. Oma seemed to be a hard nut to crack, but not to worry. I'll take her off the way soon. And then I will marry Ugo. Yes. You cannot handle him. When I marry him later, he will become your brother-in-law.
Ada, you're joking, right? Is something wrong with you?
Do I sound like I am joking?
I will not let you have it. Not when I'm still breathing.
She just interrupting me.
Hey, baby! Are you?
Listen to me. Because I'm only trying to help. You know you're my friend's sister. And I care about you. Allow Ada to marry Ugo. Ada is very selective when it comes to choosing soldiers. Let her marry Ugo, now that she has finally found someone she loves.
I can't believe as big as you are, I can be this stupid. You are as stupid as the person that sent you.
You can insult me for all I care. The truth remains. get yourself another suitor. You're a very pretty girl. You can find a suitor. Very easy.
Please, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone, Ugo. I won't leave you alone no, until you leave, Ugo.
Yes, we can, but we don't have the permission to do so. Their destiny are intertwined and has been tampered with by what Shiva did.
I'm sorry, Lord Wada. I was only trying to ease her pain. It does not feel right watching her go through all the pain while we have the power to help her.
You are not called to do so. You are just a subject and should remain that way.
Of what use is power if it cannot be put to play?
Are you questioning the authority?
No, Lord Wada.
Lord Wada, what can we do now? Nothing. We will wait and come in at the right time.
My legs! Ada! I can't feel my legs.
What is it?
I can't feel.
You can't what?
I can't move.
How? You're serious? What happened? No. What is this? No, it's not possible. Ada, get up. Let me carry you in. Who is doing this to my sister?
I'm not a blind girl, Mama. I'm not a blind girl, Mama. Mama was fighting the last but nothing, Mama. Mama, please ask Ebere to take Ugo and give me my eyes back, Mama. Ebere, take Ugo.
Mama, stop. Don't say that. I have not set my eyes on Ebere since morning. But if she's the one behind this, I'll deal with her.
God, please. Leave us alone. Leave us.
the gods of our land. The gods of our land will fight for us. They will fight. Mama, I'm not a blind girl, Mama. Mama, cannot see them. Mama, help me, Mama, help me. Oh, go,
Ewo gini meri funaya Ochogo mo chorom ya fugimia Ifunaya mo Arapo mo Oyem furunaya Lohachi Ewo gini meri funaya Achogomo choromia fugimia Ifunaya mo Arapuomo Oyem furunaya Lohachi
What happened to her?
Okay. Now come.
She suddenly cannot feel her legs. It started this morning. My father sent for the medicine man, and when he came, he applied this medicine on her legs.
Something is wrong somewhere.
What?
Omar got blind this morning.
What?
And same today, Iberi is crippled.
What is happening?
I think someone is coming after them because of me.
Ugo! 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 Ugo, wait!
Just take it easy, okay? Calm down. Don't forget Iberi is my sister. I worry too.
Ada, you don't understand. I'm having a strong belief that all this is happening because of me.
No, I don't think so. I totally understand you. You're overreacting because the two people you're involved with are sick. I get it. But I can be your friend. Yes. As a matter of fact, I can be both. Just take it easy, okay?
Ada, just forget it. You can't be Oma or Iberi. You're a different person entirely.
I mean, I can be both. Ugo, I can be your friend.
Ada, please can I talk to you? Just 1 minute.
Okay. Excuse me.
Ada, when do you start talking to him?
I'll explain later. Let me see him.
I know I've failed you before, but this time I will do anything you ask me to do. Please help me.
You promise?
Okay.
Don't fail me.
I will do that.
Fail me.
I will do that.
Hey! Ada, what were you both planning?
Calm down. It's still too early to tell you. Oh, let's go.
Ada, I am your best friend. What are you hiding?
You jump. Don't worry. No other maiden will take your place in my life. I will tell you when the time is right.
You're always telling me.
Let's go. I will tell you. Relax.
Do not be afraid. We are here to help you.
Who are you?
We are guardian spirits.
What do you want from me?
To tell you the truth.
What truth?
The truth that Ada, your daughter, is responsible for what your other daughter is going through. Tell her to undo what she did, or she will die a painful death.
And the earth will reject her corpse.
The vulture will feed on her carcass, especially now that she has committed the second murder.
Second murder?
Ada?
Yes?
Everything is done.
Really? Come on, tell me how it's done. Oh, Lisa!
She was walking and then something happened.
Ada, I am begging you. Please.
Father, I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't do anything to her.
Can you tell me what you stand to gain putting your younger sister in that condition? Eh? Eh?
Father, I...
Say your wish into this. It must come to pass. Remember, don't say it loud.
Yes, I promise I will not. Thank you. But what if I want to undo it?
You do it again.
Okay. Okay. The reason I ask is, after Ugo and I are married and we start producing children, then it will be too late for anybody to come in between us.
That is the idea.
Yes.
Remember, don't call me out on Alpha Market Day.
I promise. I will not. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey! And that is wickedness. So you went as far as consulting the goddess of the tree simply because you wanted Ugo.
Father, it's not just my sister. I did same to Oma.
What? Eh.
Yes.
Now listen to me. You have to free 2 of them. And if you don't do that, the gods will strike you dead.
Huh?
Not only that, the earth will reject your corpse.
What?
And the vulture will scatter your carcass.
Father, are you threatening me?
Mbao, it is not threat. It is the message from the gods. So the choice is yours. Sit well. The choice is yours.
Touch me! I heard everything you and Papa discussed. Ada, if you had told me you wanted Ugo, I would have just let you have him.
I'm sorry. Ebere, forgive me. I'm sorry. I was just being stupid and greedy. My sister, please forgive me. And as your elder sister, I promise you, I will do everything within my powers to make sure you marry Ugo. Okay? I don't want him anymore. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Ugo! 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 Ugo!
Ibere. What a surprise. What happened?
It's a long story. Get us a seat. We need to talk.
What? You mean Ada was responsible for what happened to you and Omar?
Yes, she was the one.
I am really sorry about everything. I was just being selfish because I want to do for myself.
Have me to yourself? Look! You better go and undo what you did to Omar. Else, you have me to deal with.
I promise you, I will undo it. After you marry my sister Iberi.
You want me to marry your sister? While you tied my best friend down. Look! I'll never get married to this family. Your family. I give you just today. Today! Else, you go away about it.
Ugo, please don't say this.
Both of you should leave my house. I give you today.
Ewo gini meri funaya Ochogomo choromia fugemia Ifunaya mo Arapo mo Oyen furunaya Lohachi
Who's that? Who? Oma. It's me.
Ugo, you're here. Ugo.
Mama.
Ugo, you're here. Ugo, Mama.
Mama?
Ugo, my mother. Ugo.
What happened to Mama?
Mama left for the farm since the morning. She's not back, Ugo.
Oma, don't worry. I'll go and look for Mama. But I want you to listen to me first. I have something to tell you.
Ugo, what is it? Hope it's not bad.
Oma, I love you with all my heart. Even though you are a blind girl, I will still marry you right now. I want you to be the mother of my unborn children. I want to grow old with you.
Ugo, how can you marry a blind girl, Ugo? How can you marry a blind girl, Ugo? I am blind. What can I possibly do for you, Ugo? Ugo, how can you marry a blind girl, Ugo? No, I cannot. I'm forgiving you. Marry a berry. Marry a berry. I'm forgiving you from my heart, Ugo.
Oma, listen. It's not all about a berry. I love you and what I feel for you is pure. I want to grow old with you, believe me. Okay, if you have forgiven me, I want you to accept my proposal. That's the only reason I'll be sure.
Okay, go. It's fine. I will marry you, Ugo. I will marry you if that is what you want, Ugo. I will marry you, Ugo.
You will marry me?
I will marry you. Yes, I will marry you. Ugo. Ugo. Thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you.
I love you.
Ugo, I can see.
Mama.
Ugo, I can see.
You can see me. Mama. You can see me. You can see me. Mama can see. Mama can see. Mama. You can see me. You can see me.
Our mission is fulfilled.
Your destiny is rewritten.
Love is beautiful.
Again.